When it comes to refurbished Macs, the biggest factor isn't just specs. It's who you're buying from. Unknown or unverified sellers often cut corners with fake parts, weak batteries, or hidden defects, leaving you with short-term savings but long-term costs. A trusted seller means every device is tested, verified, and backed by genuine parts. Before hitting buy, ask, is this seller transparent? Do they certify repairs and parts? If not, your risk is higher than your reward. At ExactTek, every Mac is carefully sourced, rigorously tested, and certified for reliability, so you get performance, savings, and peace of mind. Don't gamble with shady sellers. With ExactTek, your refurb comes with reputation and trust built in.